Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to download a OnePay app on your mobile device. So as we all know that OnePay is a fine-tech mobile banking app that combines spending, savings and rewards in one place. So it offers a debit card issued by partner banks, a digital wallet, a cashback rewards and banking type features even though the company itself is not a bank. So OnePay also gives you access to benefits like high yield saving, early direct deposit and fee-free overdraft. So if you meet certain conditions. So it's especially geared towards people who want a simplified account with a modern features rather than a traditional big bank checking account. So it has its amazing features. So to explore all these features, you need to download the app OnePay on your device. So to do so, you need to follow a few steps. Let's get started. First, you need to go to your app store, or if you are an Android user, you can simply visit your Play Store and download the app accordingly. And then you need to search the app OnePay. So here you can see the app OnePay on your device. So to download this app, you need to click on the option Get, which is highlighted in color blue. Tap on the option Get, and then to download the app, you just need to double click to your power button to install the app. So that's how you can just download the app OnePay on your mobile device, and within a very few seconds your app will be downloaded and you will be able to explore and use all these features on your device by your own. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.